We'll guide you through how to make curved line in CorelDRAW. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, press the Windows Start button on your computer taskbar and type in CorelDRAW into the search box. Open the CorelDRAW application from the search results and wait for the software to load completely. Once the program is ready, open an existing document or create a new project. Allow the workspace to finish loading on your screen before continuing. Next, locate the toolbox on the left side of the workspace. Click and hold the freehand tool group to reveal additional drawing tools. From the available options, select either the Bezier tool or the Pen tool, as both are suitable for creating curved lines. Click on the page to place the starting point of your line. Move the cursor to another location and click again to create a second node. When creating the next node, click and drag before releasing the mouse button. As you drag, control handles will appear from the node. Pull these handles in different directions to create a curved segment between the nodes. Adjust the control handles carefully to make the curve smoother and more natural. Continue clicking and dragging to add additional curved nodes if you want to create a longer path. Repeat this process for each section of the line where a curve is needed. As more nodes are added, the line can take on increasingly complex shapes and designs. After the basic curve has been created, select the Shape tool from the toolbox if you want to refine the line further. Click on the curved line to display all of its nodes and control handles. Drag the handles to adjust the shape and smoothness of the curve until it follows the exact path you want. Repeat these adjustments on any other nodes that require refinement. Take a moment to review the entire curved line and make any final corrections needed to improve its appearance. Save your project to preserve the curved line design.